Good morning, dear students. Today, chapter 12, phrases and clause. In this chapter, we know about the phrase and clause and type of clauses. So let's get started. Phrase. A group of words that convey partial and incomplete meaning is called a phrase. A phrase can have a subject or a verb. Read this example. The tall boy. Here is no verb. Rain fast. Here is no subject. A phrase can also be formed without a subject and a verb. For example, around the track. Here is no subject, no verb. Okay. And next thing is a clauses. A clause. A clause is a group of words that has both a subject and a predicate. It may form a sentence or be part of a sentence. Read these examples. Okay. Next is a type of clauses. Here are two types of clauses: independent clauses and dependent clauses. Independent clauses, it is also called a main clause, and dependent clause, it is also called a subordinate clause. So independent clause, this group of words express a complete thought and can stand alone as a sentence. It is an independent clause. For example, we played football yesterday. And dependent clause expresses a thought, but it needs a main clause to complete the meaning. It is called independent clause. It is also called a subordinate. See, dependent clause is usually combined with an independent clause to form a sentence. We played football yesterday is independent clause. Because it was a holiday, it's an independent clause. So it's combined with the independent clause. Two independent clauses can also be combined with a conjunction to form a sentence. For example, I played football is a one sentence independent clause, and my brother read a book, also independent clause. And here is and is a conjunction to combine the sentences. Okay, so now you read this chapter carefully, deeply, to try more understand. Okay, thank you.